अजय नायक और राष्ट्रवादी है। जब देश की आवाज थी तब बीजेडी ने राष्ट्रीय मुद्दों और केंद्र सरकार को पूरी तरह से समर्थन दिया। जो भी भारत को निशाना बनाएगा उसे सजा मिलनी चाहिए। इस समय हमें सभी को एकजुट रहना चाहिए। सेना को पूर्ण अधिकार दिया गया है। यह स्वागत योग्य कदम। पहले दिन से नवीन पटनायक ने अपनी पूरी समर्थन की अभिव्यक्ति की है।
To the national government, just for the one fact that whosoever has targeted India, they needed to be punished. The biggest part which the country expects is, at this point of time, each one of us should stand united. In the meanwhile, the army has been given free hand. That's a very welcome move. Besides that, the whole country is one now. We all want that the guilty should be punished. And the way we are going, we are completely convinced that guilty would be punished. From the day one, my leader, Sri Naveen Patnaik, had expressed his complete support for whatever action that needed to be taken against all those persons who had done this particular thing. This terrorist act cannot be in any possible way. It is not fathomable. So naturally, it is now a question of time when we expect that all the guilty who are there, the terrorist who has created havoc, the terrorist who needed to be punished, and all those who are backing the terrorist also, they needed to be punished.